Hey, I'm Tony over at Q's. I wanted to show you this truck real quick that I have behind me. Q's is a Versalift dealer as well as a service center. This is a VST-47. The truck has a 52-foot working height, has a 1,000-pound material handler on it, has a 400-pound capacity bucket. On the chassis side of things, it's a 2023 International CV515, has a 6.6 engine in it, and it's also four-wheel drive. This truck also has a steel Dakota body on it, and the boom is insulated as well. So with that said, let's take a walk around it, and I'll show you what it's all about. So right here, there's a block heater plug-in, so you can plug it in on a cold winter day, keep the engine block warm at night, so it starts easier. Here's what your Dakota body looks like. Steel compartments inside with some dividers. A hook up top. Middle box right here. On the end, some manuals for you. Also locks. There's a lock, can lock all the cabinets. There's a compartment up here as well. And at the end. So you also have a tow hitch at the back, a couple D-rings, a 7-way plug for your trailer. Controls are at the back for your outriggers. Fiberglass 400-pound capacity bucket. Compartments on the curb side are pretty much the same. This one has some hooks on it. Middle compartment, and you got a triangle in there. Fire extinguisher, harness, lanyard. It's the front curbside compartment. Get a walk-through step on the curbside. A couple places for your wheel trucks. So if you go up here, let's check out the lower controls. Here are the lower control functions. You have your raise, up, rotation, inner boom. And then we'll show you the bucket controls. Here are what the bucket controls look like. And there's an emergency shutoff right here. The jib also has like a little needle on it for the capacity rating, so you can see where you're at when you're trying to raise some material up. Let's cruise around the passenger side. Here's your DEF fluid fill up right there. This is one great looking truck. Let's check out the inside of the cab. So inside a cab, you have power locks, power windows, cruise control, AC right there, then your PTO buttons right there. Looks like a four-wheel drive switch bed. It engages the PTO on this truck. So if you're interested in this truck and you'd like a quote for it, give me a call here in the office. My name's Tony. The number is 800-258-1010. My extension's 250. If you don't remember that, just give us a holler. I'm the only Tony in the place. I'll be more than glad to help you out. I can send you a quote for the truck, all spec'd out so you can see exactly what comes in it. We do stock these, so yeah, feel free to reach out to us.